Hello guys, welcome to this channel. On today's video, I will show you guys the tips that if you creating a real presentation using the Notebook LM. So rather than using the slide deck here, really automated, this one I think only suitable for you to probe something or for you to learn fast. But for real presentation, don't use this feature. Instead, what you have to do first, you have to put sources, the objective. What is your objective of your presentation? For me, I have a job to as a guest lecture on students that marketing management, blah blah blah. This is the term of reference from the school. So I put it on the objective, and then the second one, you have to upload your profile. I have my master, I call it master prompt, which is this is my profile, my knowledge I pour out, I put here all of it. You have to create your own, or simply you just upload your CV there, but I think you must detailing your CV as detailed as possible for this case. And then after that, you just discuss everything on the Notebook LM, and then I create the presentation through Canva. So I make this presentation Canva, and then I'm not finished yet. I'm progressing here, and then the draft I upload here. Any progress you have on Canva or Google Slide or anything, I'll just upload to your sources, and then you could interact to the chat on your notebook, like please assess my current draft. Later, the Notebook LM will suggest you something that more likely would be beneficial for your presentation. So that's how I create real presentation using Notebook LM. Okay, one more time, I tell you that this slide deck, I think this is really cool feature, but for real presentation, I don't recommend you to use it. It still have to use human touch, so I use Canva on my presentation. So that's it, this tip. I hope it's helpful for you. If you just please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. See you on this video. Bye bye.